Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to remove a Google account from your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap Passwords and Accounts, or Users and Accounts, depending on your device. Tap Google, then select the Google account you want to remove. Next, tap Remove Account. A confirmation message will appear explaining that removing the account will delete its data from your phone, including emails, contacts, calendars, and other synced information stored on the device. Tap Remove Account again to confirm. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. Wait a few moments while your phone removes the Google account. Once the process is complete, the selected Google account will no longer be signed in on your Android phone. If it was your primary account, some Google services may stop working until you sign in with another Google account. If you want to use Google services again, you can always add the account back later by going to Settings, then Accounts, and selecting Add Account. That's all. You've successfully removed a Google account from your Android phone.